Hello everyone, this is Tom and I'm broadcasting live from our tea house here in Chiang Mai. As I already mentioned in my last video, I'm a huge passionate tea head and I love matcha and Japanese teas. And I want to share this love with the rest of the world, and my mission is to educate people how to clearly identify premium quality matchas and Japanese teas. I want to share my passion on how tea is produced, the history of tea, and how you can easily make the perfect usucha and koicha, which is the thin and the thick matcha, at home. So today's video is a short overview. I will let you know a little bit more about my schedules, when I'm actually going to upload videos, and what's the content for the next couple of weeks. And from Saturday on, I will broadcast, or I will upload videos on a weekly basis. The videos will be a little bit longer because I will go deeper into the topics. And publishing time will be 8 o'clock Bangkok time or Thailand time, which is sometime around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. And depending on where you are in the US, it's in the morning hours. So all the world should be covered pretty well with 8 o'clock local time here in Thailand. And again, if you're wondering what is this all about, well, I have 5 topics that I would like to share with you throughout the next couple of weeks. And it's all about matcha. So first of all, how matcha is produced. Then the history of matcha, health benefits of matcha, the production of matcha, and then how to identify premium matcha, very important for you, of course. If you go somewhere, if you want to buy matcha, you need to know how to identify the premium quality. And last but not least, I will educate you how to make the perfect usucha or koicha, which is the traditional Japanese way to drink matcha. Usucha is the thin tea, and koicha is the thick one that you usually drink at the tea ceremony. So again, I hope you will follow me on our social media. We have our Facebook page, we have Instagram, and of course our YouTube channel. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I will write down the informations where you can find us in the description box. And it would be great if you have any questions, just send me a message or write something here on our YouTube channel, and I will try to get these questions also answered in my videos. For the future, as you can see, we not just sell matcha, even though that you can see a lot of matcha up here, but we also are specialists in or specialized in Japanese teas such as gyokuro, kabusecha, sencha, hojicha, genmaicha, and in the future I will teach you a little bit more about that as well, but that's in the future. So as for now, the next couple of weeks will be covered with the big 5 topics, as I mentioned before. That's the history of matcha, the health benefits, the production of matcha, how to clearly identify premium quality matchas easily so you become a tea expert yourself, and how to make perfect matchas. And maybe I'm gonna even share some recipes for ice cream or cakes with you. It's gonna be a fun time. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, have a nice evening. I see you on Saturday. Until then, bye-bye.